one of the major reasons that viewers may walk away from your video. But you can't always be this close to the camera either. Poor audio is regularly identified as one of the leading reasons that viewers lose interest in videos. So today I'm going to do an unboxing and review of a wireless microphone, the HEHOTTC M2 wireless microphone. It's a lavalier style microphone. It comes with a receiver and two microphones. I'm going to check it out. I'm going to see if it has the features and the quality that I need to improve the audio in my videos. Right out of the box, actually right on the box, the first thing I notice is that neither the company or the model that I purchased are anywhere to be found. The box is nice and the pictures on the box match what I purchased on the website, but the model number seems to be either the 2T1R or the J25. The rest of the information on the box matches what was advertised on the website. Opening the box, everything is packaged in a clear plastic tray and all the pieces look to be where they belong. The two microphones that come with this and the receiver are all nicely held in place in the tray, and the accessories like the instructions, microphone clips, windsocks, USB charging cable, and adapter are loose in a larger space in the tray, but they're all where they belong. There's also a small equipment bag at the very bottom of the box that gives you a convenient place to keep all the pieces together. The two wireless lavalier style microphones are nicely built, although out of plastic, and come with a foam pop sock already on them. On the side of each microphone there is a USB-C port for charging, and on the back you'll find the power button and the magnetic mounting plate for attaching the microphone clip. The clips pop on and off nicely and seem to have enough holding power to stay in place, but time and use will tell just how well they actually stay in place. Pressing the power button, you immediately get a flashing red and green light to indicate the microphone is turned on and looking for a signal from the receiver to connect. As soon as the signal is found, the LED turns a solid green, and the LED on the receiver itself also turns green, indicating one or two microphones are currently connected. To turn the microphone off, press and hold the button for a few seconds and the LED goes off. Pretty simple, really. The kit also comes with two of the faux fur windsocks, which are a nice addition given the price of the kit, and should come in handy when recording outside where even a small breeze can have a huge impact on the quality of the audio. I plugged the receiver into my Android phone, and just as advertised, it was immediately available for capturing audio in both my audio capture apps and my video apps. Filmic Pro, however, recognized the microphone was attached, but for some reason could not access it, and I was not able to use it to record audio. But the real question is, how does the audio it's capturing sound compared to the built-in audio of my phone and laptop? So I set up a quick test on each to find out. So this is my audio using the microphone built into my phone at a distance of about 15 feet away from the phone. This is my audio using the wireless lavalier microphone from the same distance of about 15 feet away from the phone. So what are my thoughts on the HEHOTTC M2 or 2T1R or J21, J25 professional wireless microphone? Generally speaking, I'm pretty impressed with it. I think for creators just getting into the business who are looking for a way to improve the quality of their audio and not break the bank, I think this is a great option. The microphone build is good. The quality of the audio is good. I think the accessories that you get with it, the kit, even though it's small, gives you a lot of the things that you can use and you can benefit yourself with. The price, under $20 when I purchased it on Amazon, and I actually got a 15% discount, so it was actually under $17 when it was all said and done. I think that's a great price for what you're getting and the flexibility that it gives you. On top of that, all of the audio that you've been listening to in the narration was recorded using this microphone system. So you be the judge for yourself as to what the quality overall seems to be. I'll leave a link down below if you're interested in checking it out yourself. Just as a note, I'm not sponsored and I don't have any kind of affiliate association with Amazon, so I don't make any money if you go and you end up purchasing this. With that, thank you for stopping by. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe down below. Leave me your comments. Let me know what you think about my videos, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for stopping by.